Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my everyday makeup look. I don't do my makeup every day. There's days where I don't wear makeup at all. But on the days that I'm in a rush and I just want to, look cute, this is the makeup look that I do. If you guys want to see how I did this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, so I already did my brows off camera, so I'm going to go straight into primer. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Poreless Primer. And I'm already hitting pan on that, guys. So you can already tell how much I love it. I'm going to be going with this all over my face and just buffing that into the skin, making sure that I focus it in my nose area just because I have a lot of pores there. And after I blend all of that out, I'm going to go in with the De-Slick Primer by Urban Decay and just grab, what is this, a pump. I'm going to be focusing that in my T-zone area just because that's where I get the most oily. And then I'm going to grab the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I'm going to take my June & Co. Microfiber Sponge. This sponge works wonders, man. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation is a medium coverage, and this makes it look full coverage, man. Like, this sponge works wonders, and I think I only paid like $6 for it, so highly recommend it. And at this moment, I realized that my foundation did not match my skin, but it's okay, we'll make it work. I'm gonna go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm only gonna go in with a little because this thing can cake it on. So I only like to go in with a little. I'm gonna blend it in again with my sponge. Next, I'm going to grab my Pretty Vulgar setting powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face with this. I like to add a little bit of extra powder around my nose because I am very oily in that section, so I'm just powdering it up. And then, yeah guys, this was not my match. Go in with the contour shade of the Naked Basics palette and just bronze up the face. And I decided that that wasn't enough, so I went in with the Hoola Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics because that is my go-to and I just love that one. So next, I'm going to go in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and guys, I'm hitting pan on this too. I'm hitting pan on every single product that I own. So what I did is just take the shade Burnt Orange with a fluffy blending brush and focus that all over the crease, and then I went in with the shade Cypress Umber just to deepen it up a little bit. Then I went in with the shade Raw Sienna, and I just made sure that there was no harsh lines and that everything looks blended and nice. And yep, we're pretty much done there. Pretty simple. I'm gonna take the shade Primavera and just focus that all over my lid, just to bring some light into the eye look. Then I'm gonna go back in with that fluffy brush and just blend it and make sure everything looks nice and cohesive. My lips are feeling a little bit chapped, so I put some chapstick. And then I'm just going to add some blush. I am obsessed with this Carity palette, guys. I use it literally every single time I do my makeup. I'm gonna go in with the Mary Luminizer by The Balm, and this just gives you a nice glow, which I like. It's not crazy intense, but you can build it up if you want. Next, I'm going to go back in with that Primavera shade, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Lipstick, I'm using the ColourPop lipstick in the shade Ariel. This was in their Disney Designer collection, and I am using the lip gloss in the shade, well, I don't know what shade is this. I'm not sure if it's Bibbidi or if it's Bobbidi, but it's one of those two. And yeah guys, that's it. Alright guys, so that is it. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also comment down below what kind of makeup looks you want me to film next. Don't forget to subscribe and push that notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I post a new video. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.